Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the 17th question of exercise 9.2 7th grade CBSE NCERT Math. Let us read the question. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 cm long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? Here you can see a circular clock and this is the minute hand and its length is given. It is 15 cm. Here we have to find how far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour. How to solve this? 1 hour means 60 minutes. We know in 60 minutes the minute hand will make one complete rotation, isn't? That means in 1 hour the tip of the minute hand makes one complete rotation. Then what about the distance covered by the tip of the minute hand? It is nothing but the circumference. So, for finding the distance covered by the tip of the minute hand in 1 hour, it is enough to find the circumference. Okay, let us do. Length of the minute hand. Equal to 15 centimeters. Distance covered by the tip of the minute hand in 1 hour equal to, it is the circumference of the clock. That is equal to, now what is the formula? Here length of the minute hand is given, it is 15 centimeter. That means it is the radius here. So we can use the formula 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into pi is here 3.14. So 3.14 into radius is 15 centimeters. That is equal to, now let us multiply 2 and 15. 2 15s are 30. So we can write 3.14 into 30 centimeters. Now for multiplying 3.14 and 30, let us multiply 314 into 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 3 3s are 9. That is equal to 942. Now we have to put this 0 because we have multiplied with 3 only. 0. Next we have to put the decimal. For that, check the number of digits after the decimal in 3.14. We know there are 2 digits. So from the rightmost digit, count 1, 2. Put the decimal here. That much centimeters. That is equal to 94.2 centimeters. That is the distance covered by the tip of the minute hand in 1 hour. It is equal to 94.2 centimeters. Hope it is clear to you. This is the last question of this exercise. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.